Hello you guys, it's your girl Keela coming at you, Naturally Dubk. Welcome back to my channel, and today we're going to be cooking some neck bones. So I have 4 packs of neck bones that I got from the farmer's market, and what we're about to do now is get them cleaned really well. So you're just going to open them up, put them in your sink, or if you have a big enough tub. Comment below if you clean your meat in your sink. I know there on Facebook there is a debate that you shouldn't do it, but I've always done it. My grandmother, everybody I know have done it, so that's what we do. Alright, so you're going to fill your sink up with water to cover your meat. What I do is I swish it around, and then I drain it a couple of times, and then I run it again, because I want to make sure we get it as clean as possible. Here's my second time draining it, and now we're going to fill it back up. We're going to add some apple cider vinegar with the mother, and we're going to add some salt. Push it around, mix it all up, and we're going to let it sit for 30 minutes in there. Now this is what it looks like after it's set for 30 minutes. You see the water, there's a lot of extra blood. There's some fatty type tissue that has separated from the meat as well. So that is what we're trying to get rid of. And then you can see the meat is really pale. So we've rinsed it till the water was clear. Now we're gonna take them out and put them in your pan. All clean and stuff. And then for those who wonder if I clean my sink, I always clean my sink. I clean it really well, so put a little cleaning motivation in there for you as well. You know, cleaning the sink is very soothing and relaxing, so something about that slippery towel and that soap. Alright, so we begin our seasoning process. This is Carnier. I love this. It's like a steak and beef season. Of course, my new staple is Longhorn. I kind of use it to replace the Mike Lowry's or the Lowry's season temporarily. Now, you know, Lowry's is always going to be there. So I'm using that. I have some paprika, some garlic powder. Garlic powder and onion powder go in everything. So that's the garlic powder. Here's the onion powder. Black pepper. And accent season. Now this is a meat you really can't taste until it's done. So I add this flavor enhancing just to make sure I have enough season, but you don't want it to be salty, so you don't want to do too much salt or sodium. And you're going to add 2 packs of Sassoon, which you get this at the China store, like the farmer's market. Not the China store, I'm sorry. Farmer's market, or like the Mexican store. And I think they even have it at the Dollar Tree too. So you're going to smack it up, flip it, rub it down, massage that seasoning into your meat. Make sure it's on every piece. And this is where we go and add the eye color. So we have some red pepper, some green pepper, more green pepper, and red onion. or you could use white onion, or you could use whatever type of bell pepper you like. Don't go out trying to buy different things. Just use what you have in your fridge. So once we've added the onions on, my husband likes to eat jalapenos with his, so I nestled 2 in the corner so they can cook and get all softened. And then you're just gonna cover your pan with foil and pop that baby in the oven. We're gonna cook it for 350 for about 2.5–3 hours. Now, of course, you can go longer. Just drop your temperature down. I've cooked them all night before on 200 before. So it's just whatever you have time for. You want them so they just fall off the bone. And you can see how the bones have separated. And they were delicious. So we ate it with green beans. We had rice and gravy, and then black-eyed peas. So comment below if you want to see a video on how I make my black-eyed peas. Thanks again for watching. It's your girl Keela coming at you, Naturally Dubk. We appreciate your support. We're about to get rich. Peace.